Hello, happy Tuesday, Tuesday the 26th of January. We're carrying on with our maths work on multiplication. Now, today we're looking at arrays. Arrays are something we've looked at previously. They are where you display your multiplication sum, for example, 2 times 5 as 2 across and 5 down, and fill in all of the gaps. We did a couple of arrays when we were working on division just before we broke up for Christmas. It's just a way of showing multiplication and division, so it's nice and simple. Okay, so Tommy is making arrays using counters. Complete the multiplication. So 2 times 5 you should be well able to do. 3 times. Using your answer to part A, complete the multiplication sum below. Now today we're multiplying 3 numbers together. So you've got 2 times 5, you should be able to work out, is 10. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. Make sure you can see this. 2 times 5 is 10. Ta-da! Okay, bit of a terrible 0, but we'll work with it. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we're multiplying together 3 numbers today, so we put another number at the front here. In this case, they want you to do 3 times 2 times 5. Okay, so 3 times 2 times 5 is the same as 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is correct. 6 times 5. Okay, and 6 times 5 is in your 5 times table is 30. Now multiplications, it doesn't matter what order you put the numbers in, they will still come out as the same answer, as long as you do the 2 numbers and then the 3rd number, or the first 2 and then the last one. It doesn't matter which order you do them in, as long as you do them all, you'll get the answer right. So moving on to question 2. Use counters or cubes. Get your pasta at the ready. Use counters or cubes or pasta to complete the calculations. Okay, so 2 times 4. Make your array of 2 times 4 with your pasta, but then do that 5 times. Okay. 3 times 5, make your array with pasta, and then do that 4 times, then count them up. Some of you won't need to actually make the arrays with pasta. Some of you will be able to do this straight off the top of your heads and using your times tables. 2, and the last one, 2 times 5 is 10, times by 8, 10 times 8, should be able to do. Okay. Is there a quicker way to do these? Have a chat to an adult at home or a sibling, they might be able to help you. Okay, number 3. More calculations for you to do. At this point, if you want to put a picture of you doing it with the pasta or rice or whatever you're using, this will be the one to put the picture up for me. Okay, is this a true statement or are these false? Now, like I've said a lot of times in the classroom before we broke up for Christmas, an equals sign, yes, it means equals, and yes, it means this is the answer, but an equal sign also means is the same as. So even if you've got something that doesn't look like it's got an answer, like these they don't look like they've got a single number answer on the end, all it means is either side of the equal sign. If you imagine my face is an equal sign, this and this are the same. As long as your things on either side make up the same number, your equal sign in the middle is correct. So let's do the first one together. So we got 7 times 8 equals 7 times 4 times 2. Now 7 times 8 is 56. Now I can guarantee you some of you got there quicker than me because you're better at times tables than me. 56 equals, now we'll do 7 times 4 is 28 times, that's a terrible times sign, times 2. We're closer already. Looks like an ad, doesn't it? Let's do that again. Times 2. Is 56 the same as 28 times 2? 28 times 2 is actually 56. 56 equals 56. Yes, it does. So that one is true. The top one is true. Try and work out the rest of them yourselves. And Mild, you can stop now.